Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe on where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do something early. Rocking around, 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 rocking, 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 rocking. All right, so here we got two gifts to give for Christmas for people that love drones. So we got the Gym Fan Vanover Props 5136. You're going to see a flight of those. And then I got the iFlight soldering kit. They got tweezers, the soldering iron, cutters. This is the most handiest tool of the whole kit. You can change your props. It's kind of like a little ratchet on the end. You got both a 2mm and a 1.5mm on each side. This thing is something to keep in your pocket at all times. And you got solder and flux and stuff. So this iFlight thing is nice to have. And these Gym Fan props are pretty cool to check out. So let's do a flight in them and see how they are.
You better watch out. You better watch out. Better not cry. Better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming. Down, 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 Santa Claus is coming to town. Better not cry. You better watch out. Better not cry. Better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming down. He's making a list, checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty at night. Santa, Santa, Santa Claus is coming down. Santa. Santa. Better not cry. You better watch out. Better not cry. Better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. You better watch out. You better not cry. Better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty at night. Santa, Santa, Santa Claus is coming to town.
right, guys, there you go. That's some great gifts to give for your family for Christmas if they like drones, especially if they're into like freestyle drones. These props, they are pretty good. They rip pretty nice, and I got a decent flight time out of them. So go and check them out.